Chicmas, day 19. We are about to film 2 videos, a makeup look and then also empties, like an empties video. This is the current setup right now, right there. I don't have that much time to film because I have to leave by 7 to run a few errands. Makeup tutorials do take a bit of time, unlike, you know, when you just get ready and you're not filming. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. One of the nails popped off. I had on the nails for a week and a half and they have literally stayed on. So if you haven't seen my video on how to apply false nails and to get them to last a lot longer, make sure you check it out. I will link it up in the card area as well as at the end of this video. So I'm gonna get to filming so that we can leave in a few. We are done. We finished filming for the day. We also have to film tomorrow, but oh my gosh, so we finished with 30 minutes to spare, which is actually pretty good, but we have a very big mess. Oh, I forgot to mention, that's where we have to go. We have to go to AT&T to trade in my phone because I called them about like a week and a half ago to let them know that, you know, if they could send the envelope, since I already had trouble before. I messed up the first batch of phones with Jonathan and my mom, so I wanted to make sure this time I got it correct. However, the package is still not here and I'm so nervous that we won't meet the window just because of the holidays and everything and like slower shipping. So I just want to trade it in store. However, earlier when I called AT&T, they said the wait time was like an hour and a half, which is insane. So hopefully if we get there by 7, hopefully it's not that bad. Just don't want to have to worry about it. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Can I please get a large Taro smoothie with no boba? Regular Taro smoothie with boba. Regular milk, okay on that one? Yes, regular milk. Get another Taro smoothie with boba and lychee jelly with almond milk. Okay, how soon can we expect you? 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Damn. So hopefully that was 5 minutes. Let's go get our boba. Yes. So we're in front of AT&T. They have like 8 or 9 people ahead of me. They told me they can't help me today, to come back tomorrow. They open at 9. We'll come back tomorrow, but we got our Taro Boba with lychee jelly with almond milk. So we finally changed into some comfy PJs. Now we can finish wrapping presents and labeling them because we got it all kind of, you know, we have everything all set up. We have the gifts back here that need to be labeled. And I decided on not watching a Christmas movie, except we're going to be watching Sweet Home Alabama with Reese Witherspoon, which is such a classic movie. Like I said yesterday, actually this morning, we were going to get this done today. So let's do this. You know what? It's been a while since we wrapped these gifts and now I don't know what happened to some of the Post-its and I can't remember whose gift is which. The gifts are all wrapped and labeled. I remembered whose gift was who. So I'm very happy and I love how everything kind of all coincides with each other. Different hues of pink, right? Even though this one's like a pastel blue, Santa is still pink. And there's little pops of pink there. So everything goes together. So you know what time it is. It is tea with 10. And we have our hot water steaming this evening. I made sure that it's like extra steamy, extra hot. So let's first start with our advent calendar. The English Tea Shop Organic Tea Advent Calendar, day number 19. Smells like peppermint. Winter warmer. Okay. Organic rooibos herbal tea with ginger, cocoa, star anise, and mace. Is that what it is? I have no idea what that is, but it contains ginger pieces. So I think this should be good. Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour chocolate truffle advent calendar, day number 19. Down here, day number 19. Let's see, what do we get? What do we have? We have a milk chocolate. All right. The Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, day number 19. Up here. And let's read today's joke of the day. Jonathan, why shouldn't you tell a secret on a farm?
It's stupid.
No, because the corn has ears. Do you get it?
This is the time when they stop clinking on your video.
Oh, anyways, these are not my jokes. These are the jokes from the advent calendar. So just to let you know, even though they're like super corny, even my mom said the jokes are super corny, I'm just reading you what the jokes are from the advent calendar. Tonight's popcorn, caramel and Belgian chocolate popcorn. All right, try the tea, which I think will be good. Oh, it is good. I like the taste of ginger, which is really soothing, so this is perfect. Eat our chocolate. Honey caramel. Let's try our popcorn, which I'm sure it's gonna be good. I think he'll like this one. So I'll just get 2 pieces tonight. This is good. We'll save him the rest. Let's go through comments and Cindy DeMarsh. Hey Cindy, happy birthday Jonathan. Hello Kitty makeup is adorable. I'm not a big fan of gingerbread. Thank you so much for commenting, Cindy. Definitely feel you on the gingerbread. I know it's not for everybody because sometimes the flavor can be just too overpowering. Thank you for commenting, giving your feedback, and the Hello Kitty makeup, oh my gosh, it is so cute. Tried the lip scrub today, which I have to say I was actually impressed with. That one was really good. I didn't try the blush or, you know, I tried out the lip gloss yesterday, but, you know, I still have to kind of, you know, play around with it and see how it works for me. But so far, so good. Jonathan says, thank you for the birthday wishes. Mandy N. Hey, Mandy. OMG, the Hello Kitty collection from ColourPop is just too cute. I know, right, Mandy? Thank you so much for commenting. I just also wanted to just say thank you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out for a bit, for like the 9-10 minutes out of your day. It really truly means so much. So please know that I truly appreciate you guys. So anyway, chickies, I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas Day 19 here. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today. If you enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed hanging out, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 20. I can't believe it. Almost to Christmas. Crazy. All right, chickies, I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.